Hello everyone, this is Alpa Somani, and today we are doing chapter number 5, Brave Prince. Okay, so you have already done the vocab part of the chapter, so today we'll be starting with the chapter narration, how the chapter starts. Okay, so first things first, what I need to tell you about the Bravery Awards. Do you know what Bravery Awards are? So there are some awards which are given in India to the children who act bravely. Okay, so there is a very famous bravery award called as the Geeta Chopra and Sanjay Chopra Award. So this award is given to brave children. This award is given to children who act bravely in some manner, in wherever they act bravely. Okay. So what happened? Why this award is named as Geeta Chopra and Sanjay Chopra Award, and why this is not named as Alpa Somani Award? So these two children, Geeta Chopra and Sanjay Chopra, these are the ones. This is Geeta Chopra. This is Sanjay Chopra. These two children acted very bravely when their kidnappers tried to attack them. So it was unfortunate that they both of them they died while having fighting with their kidnappers. So these two children died, but they acted very bravely, and that's why this award is named after these two children. So if there is a brave girl, she is given the Geeta Chopra Award, and if there is a brave guy, if there is a brave boy, he is given as the Sanjay Chopra Award. Okay. So about this chapter is called as Brave Prince. Okay, so this is about a boy whose name is Prince, and he has also acted bravely. So that's why the chapter is called as Brave Prince. Okay, so now we already know about the bravery awards which are being given in India. So these awards, there are many bravery awards which are given in India. So one of them is Sanjay Chopra and Geeta Chopra Award, which is given to the brave children who act bravely in anywhere wherever some children act bravely. These children are given as the Bravery Award. Okay, so these are the National Bravery Awards for children. Okay, so among the various national awards, among the various national bravery awards, Sanjay Chopra and Geeta Chopra awards are the most famous ones and are the most prized ones. They are very valuable awards, Sanjay Chopra and Geeta Chopra award. Okay, these are given to the children. And this story, this chapter is about a boy whose name is Prince Kumar. He's from Bihar. He's from Gaya. Gaya is a city in Bihar. So this person, this child, Prince Kumar, he lives in the city of Gaya in Bihar. And now something very unfortunate happens. Something very surprising happens to the family. His family is attacked by some kidnappers, some very disastrous men. So some 6 or 7 men attack the family, and then what happens? This person, this boy, Prince Kumar, he acts very bravely, and that's why this chapter is called as Brave Prince. Okay, so let's start with the chapter then. Okay, I hope all of you have your books with you, and if this text is not visible to you on your screen, you can also find out the text on in your books. Okay, so let's start with the chapter then. The National Bravery Awards for Children was started in 1957 by the Indian Council for Child Welfare. Okay, so these are the National Bravery Awards. Bravery means what? किसी ने बहुत bravely act किया है, बहुत अपने अच्छे से किसी से लड़ाई की है. It's not just about लड़ाई. आपने कुछ अपने अपनी क्षमता दिखाई है कि आप अच्छे से किसी से bravely behave. किसी की भी बहादुरी के लिए ये अवार्ड दिया जाता है. ओके, नेशनल ब्रेवरी अवार्ड्स. Okay, it is given by the Indian Council for Child Welfare. Okay, so this is an institute. This is a council, ICCW, Indian Council for Child Welfare. So this is given. This bravery award is given by ICCW, and it has been given. It started in 1957. Okay, to identify and honor children who have performed outstanding deeds of bravery and selfless sacrifice. Okay, so this award is given to whom? This award is given to honor those children उन बच्चों का सम्मान करने के लिए जिन्होंने बहुत आउटस्टैंडिंग परफॉर्म किया होता है, कोई बहुत बहादुरी का काम किया होता है और कुछ बहुत सैक्रिफाइस किया होता है. ओके, so this is given to these very brave children. Okay, by ICCW. So you know the full form ICCW now. Every year, ICCW gives these award to children below 16 years of age. Okay, so what is the age limit for that? This award, ICCW, these awards is given to children below the age of 16 years. 16 years से कम के जो बच्चे हैं उन्हें ये award दिया जाता है. These awards are given to children on Republic Day, 26th January. Okay, so this award is given on 26th January, Republic Day. So this award is given by whom? By ICCW. This award is given for what? This award is given for the bravery and to honor those children who have shown some act of bravery. And also this award is given to children of below 16 years of age, and it has been given since 1957. Okay, and it is given on what day? It is given on Republic Day. The Sanjay Chopra and Geeta Chopra Awards are the two most prized awards among the National Bravery Awards. So, among the various National Bravery Awards, these two awards, Sanjay Chopra and Geeta Chopra Award, they are the very famous ones and they are the very famous, very prized ones. बहुत ज़्यादा important हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा valuable हैं. The awards were instituted in the year 1978 in the memory of two brave Chopra children. Okay, so this award is in the memory of whom? In the memory of two children, Sanjay Chopra and Geeta Chopra. I have shown you, right? So this award is given in the memory of these two children, Sanjay Chopra and Geeta Chopra, and it is given for their bravery and their sacrifice. They sacrifice their lives while fighting to their kidnappers. So that's why this award is named after these children. Okay, so this award was instituted in the year 1978 in the memory of two brave Chopra children who laid down their lives while facing their kidnappers. So both of them, while fighting with their kidnappers, both of them died. Okay, so they fought with their kidnappers very bravely, and henceforth this award is named after these two children. And it was started in 1978. The two awards are presented to a boy and a girl, respectively, for their acts of bravery. Okay, if a boy is there, he is given the Sanjay Chopra Award, and if the girl acts bravely, she is given the Geeta Chopra Award. The award includes a medal, a certificate, and a cash award. So, in this award, what is given? A medal is given, a certificate is given, and a cash prize is also given. So who gives award to the children below 16 years of age? Who gives the award? ICCW gives the award. When are these awards given to children? They are given on the day of Republic Day, on 26th January. Why are the National Bravery Awards given? Why are the National Bravery Awards given? They are given to honor these children who have performed outstanding deeds of bravery and selfless sacrifice. What does the award include? What is given in the award? A medal, a certificate, and a cash award is given in the award. Okay, so it's the story of Prince Kumar, age 12, from Gaya, Bihar, a Sanjay Chopra awardee. Okay, so this is the story. This was all about the award, about the Sanjay Chopra and Geeta Chopra award. And now there's the story of this person, of a child, Prince Kumar, and whose age is 12, and he is from Gaya city, Bihar. Okay, so he was also a Sanjay Chopra awardee. Okay, awardee means जिसे award दिया जाता है, that person is called as awardee. Okay, so this person, Prince Kumar, was a Sanjay Chopra awardee. Prince Kumar is a young boy who studies at the Holy Child School in Bihar's Gaya district. Okay, so Prince Kumar is a young boy. He studied at the Holy Child School in Bihar's Gaya district. Okay. He loves to watch cricket matches on TV and is a big fan of Sachin Tendulkar and Shah Rukh Khan. So he's like us only. He's a very normal child. He likes to watch cricket. He likes Sachin Tendulkar. He likes Shah Rukh Khan. So he's a very normal person, like us only. He also watches the countdown shows on television for latest Hindi film songs, and he also likes to watch TV and to watch Hindi songs on TV. He likes to play cricket and football with his school friends and his brother Ashish. Okay, so what else he likes? He likes to play cricket and football with his school friends and his brother Ashish. Okay, so he has a brother Ashish. He plays with him, and Ashish, who happens to be his best friend too. His brother Ashish is his best friend as well. So Ashish is the best friend of Prince Kumar, and also he is the brother of Prince Kumar. Okay. He is fond of jalebis and samosas and tries to assist his father, Ramji Prasad, run a small jewelry shop in Gaya. Okay, so what else he likes? He is very fond. He likes jalebis and samosa. Like we all like jalebis and samosas, right? So this child, Prince, also he is a normal person. He's a very normal child. He also likes jalebis and samosas, and he helps his father, who has a jewelry shop in Gaya. Okay, so his father, whose name is Ramji Prasad, he has a jewelry shop in Gaya, and he helps his father in the shop. His dream is to become an IPS officer. And what is his goal and what is his dream in life? He wants to become an IPS officer. Things changed following an incident on November 5, 1999. Okay, so now after now we know that he is a very normal person. He likes Sachin Tendulkar, he likes Shah Rukh Khan, he likes eating jalebis, he likes samosas, he likes listening to songs on TV, but everything changed after November 1999. November 1999 के बाद सब कुछ change हो गया. So what happens then? An incident that an incident that a year later won him the impressive Sanjay Chopra Award, the nation's second highest award for bravery. So now, what an incident happened on November 5, and after 1 year of this incident, he was given the very famous, very impressive Sanjay Chopra Award. Okay, so now we will see what that incident was. In whose memory was these awards instituted in 1978? They were instituted, these awards were in the memory of the two Chopra children, Prince Sanjay Chopra and Geeta Chopra. Where does Prince Kumar study? He studies in the Holy Child School in Bihar's Gaya district. What were the hobbies of the boy? His hobbies were watching playing cricket, and watch cricket on movie, and watch cricket on TV. And he was a big fan of Sachin Tendulkar. So you have to write about Sachin Tendulkar. He liked Shah Rukh Khan. He liked eating samosas. Okay, so that was the hobbies of the boy. What is the national second highest award for bravery? This Sanjay Chopra Award, Sanjay Chopra and Geeta Chopra Award. This is the nation's second highest award for bravery. Okay, so now we will see what is the incident that happened on November 5, 1999, that changed the life of Prince. Okay, so let's solve these three questions. Question number one. What does Prince prefer to do in his free time? Prince को अपने free time में क्या करना पसंद है? So what was that? He likes to watch cricket matches on TV, and he also watches the countdown shows and listens to songs, Hindi film songs, and he likes to play football and cricket with his friends. So what does he like to do in his free time? He likes to watch cricket matches on TV. He also watches countdown shows and listens to Hindi film songs on TV. And third is what? He likes to play football and cricket with his friends. Okay, next one. What was the name of Prince Kumar's father and what does his father do? So, what was the name of Prince Kumar's father? His father's name was Ramji Prasad. Okay, so Prince Kumar's father's name was Ramji Prasad. And what did he do? वो क्या काम करते थे? He had a small jewelry shop in Gaya. Okay, so Prince Kumar's father, he had a small jewelry shop in Gaya. Gaya is the name of the city, okay, which is in Bihar district, Bihar state. Okay. Third one. What changes took place on November 5, 1999? So what changes took place? An unfortunate incident happened, and now we will see what is the incident which took place on November 5, 1999. So नवंबर 5 से एक इंसिडेंट हुआ नवंबर 5 को, जिसके बाद उसको एक साल बाद संजय चोपड़ा अवार्ड मिला. ओके. Okay, so now let's continue the chapter. Here it is. Yeah. So now Prince Kumar narrates his story. Okay, now Prince Kumar is explaining उसके साथ क्या क्या हुआ. He is narrating the story. Narrate means to tell something. Okay, किसी को कुछ narrate करना, किसी को बताना. बताना जो होता है उसको narrate करना बोलते हैं. Okay. It was the 5th of November, 1999, 2 days before Diwali. Since it was the festive season, ओके सो ये सब कब हुआ? 5th नवंबर 1999 को हुआ. 2 days बिफोर दिवाली, दिवाली से 2 दिन पहले. ओके. सिंस इट वाज द फेस्टिव सीजन, सो अब ये फेस्टिव सीजन था. फेस्टिव सीजन मींस व्हाट? जब सारे फेस्टिवल्स एक साथ आते हैं, जैसे अभी अभी जैसे सीजन चल रहा है, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज फेस्टिव सीजन. When all the festivals are together, when so many festivals are together, Diwali is a festive season. Okay, so since it was the festive season, sales were brisk. Okay, brisk means very, बहुत ज्यादा सेल हो रही थी. जैसे दिवाली में भी like to shop, everyone likes to shop during this festive season. Everyone likes to shop during Diwali. लोग कपड़े खरीदना पसंद करते हैं, ज्वेलरी खरीदना पसंद करते हैं. So that's why जब क्योंकि इस टाइम फेस्टिव सीजन था 5th नवंबर से 2 दिन पहले, सो सेल्स वर ब्रिस्क, बहुत ज्यादा बाजार में हलचल थी. उनकी सेल्स जो थी, जो प्रिंस कुमार के फादर की जो सेल्स थी, उनकी ज्वेलरी शॉप थी, तो इसलिए सेल्स भी बहुत ज्यादा चल रही थी, बहुत ज्यादा सेल चल रही थी. My brother Ashish and I were helping daddy at the shop. Up now, who is my here? Now Prince Kumar is telling the story. Okay, so he is explaining it in his own way. So here my is Prince Kumar. Okay, Prince Kumar's brother Ashish and I. Who is I here? I is Prince Kumar only. He is explaining the whole story to us. Okay. My brother Ashish and I were helping daddy at the shop. Okay, so as you already know that Prince Kumar and his brother, they assist their father, Mr. Was the name of the father? They assist their father, Ramji Prasad, at the shop. So these two children, Ashish and Prince, they were assisting, they were helping their daddy at the shop. I left the shop around 11 p.m. and went home. Okay, so now Prince, he left the shop. शॉप से गया वो रात को 11 बजे, and वो 11 बजे घर चला गया. Daddy and Ashish left half an hour later. और उसके आधे घंटे बाद डैडी और आशीष, मतलब प्रिंस के फादर और आशीष, वो बाद में निकले, आधे घंटे बाद में. As they entered the lane leading to our house, okay. So lane leading to our house का मतलब क्या? आपकी जो गली है जिसके अंदर आपका घर है. Okay. So when they entered, who? The father and the brother Ashish. Okay. जब brother Ashish और father जब वो गली के अंदर घुसने लगे, they saw two shady looking young men lurking nearby. Okay. Lurking means what? इधर उधर घूमना. Okay. And shady looking means what? थोड़े से डाइसी से लग रहे थे, थोड़े से अजीब लग रहे थे कि यार ये नॉर्मल लोग नहीं लग रहे हैं. जैसे आप किसी गुंडे को देखते हो, आप किसी चोर को देखते हो, तो वो थोड़े से आपको अजीब से लगते हैं कि ये दे आर नॉट लुकिंग लाइक नॉर्मल पीपल. ओके, सो उनको थोड़ा डाउट हुआ इन लोगों पे. They saw two shady looking young men lurking nearby. So these two young men, दो जो लोग थे, they were just roaming here and there. वो गली में इधर उधर घूम रहे थे. Daddy hesitated. Hesitate means what? Hichkichana. Okay, so daddy hesitated. The father of Prince Kumar hesitated. वो थोड़ा हिचकिचाए कि ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, उन्हें थोड़ा डाउट हुआ. But Ashish urged him to ignore them. Okay, but Ashish said, ignore, daddy, ignore these two people. Let's go home. Okay, Ashish says, let's ignore these two people and let's go home. So Ashish urged him to ignore them and they kept moving on. So they ignored these two people and they kept moving on. वो अपने घर जाने लगे. When they reached the gate, I opened it. Okay. So when they reached the gate, who reached the gate? Ashish and his father. When they reached the gate, so Prince was already at home. वो आधे घंटे पहले ही घर पहुंच चुका था. So he opened the gate for Ashish and father. Ashish asked my father to move towards the house while he stood there with me as I was closing and locking the gate. So वो अपने मेन गेट पे आए, तीनों अब मेन गेट पे खड़े हैं. आशीष, प्रिंस और उसके फादर. सो आशीष आस्क्ड फादर कि आप अंदर जाइए, मैं और प्रिंस जो है हम गेट लॉक करके अंदर आते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ फादर इज इनसाइड एंड हु इज स्टैंडिंग एट द गेट? Ashish and his brother Prince. They both are standing at the door, and the father moves inside, and they are locking the door. As I was closing and locking the gate, so they both are closing and locking the gate. Who both? Ashish and Prince. What were the two boys doing at the shop? They were assisting their father at the shop. They were helping their father at the jewelry shop. What did Ashish and his daddy find when they were coming to their home? What did they find? They find that there were two young men, two shady looking young men, and they were lurking nearby. Shady looking young men का मतलब मैंने आपको समझाया. Shady looking मतलब कि थोड़े से अजीब जो दिख रहे थे, जिन पे आपको डाउट हो कि ये अजीब लोग हैं, वैसा. Who opened the door? Who opened the door? Prince opened the door for Ashish and his father. Who asked Ramji Prasad to move inside the house? Ashish asked his father, Ramji Prasad, to move inside the house while Ashish and Prince were locking and closing the door. Okay, children, so for today's assignment, you have to complete these three questions and you have to submit me on Scholars ERP. So that's all for today's lecture. We will continue with the chapter in the next class. Okay, so you just complete your assignment and submit it to me on Scholars ERP. Okay, that's all for today's lecture then, and thank you so much. We will meet in the next lecture.